Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing lesson 10 simple tenses. So, till the previous video, we have started textual explanation. So, today, before starting textual explanation or textual exercise, first we will revise what we have learned in a previous video, then we will move ahead. Okay, so let's see. I already told you this quote: the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. So, let's see what we have learned. So, first we have learned simple present tense and the definition of simple present tense. After the definition of simple present tense, we learn the uses of simple present tense. After that, what we have learned, that when can we use simple present tense and how to make positive questions, how to make negative question, and how to make question forms, that we learn, that we have seen according to examples. After completing that, we learn extra exercise for practice. Then this is the extra exercise which we have learned. You can see here. So if you have missed anything, you can also note it down. Total 10 fill in the blanks are there. 3, 4, then after that 5, 6, then number 7, number 8, then after that number 9 and 10. So after completing this exercise, we learn simple past tense, and what is the use of simple past tense. So let's see. Definition of simple past tense. Then we learn which words we can use in simple past tense. Then we have completed regular verbs, how it changes. After that, irregular verbs. All the irregular verbs we have learned. Then extra exercise for practice. In that also we learn total 10 fill in the blanks. So let's see which blanks are that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, then go to the 5. Here it is 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9 and 10. Then after completing that, we learn simple future tense. So in simple future tense, what we have learned? First we learn the definition of simple future tense. Then we learn uses of will. What are the uses of simple future tense? And then when can we learn will or shall? And at last we have completed extra exercise for practice. So in that also total 10 fill in the blanks are that. So let's see. Here it is. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, after that 7, 8, then 9, and at last 10. So this is extra explanation which we have learned briefly. Now from here your textbook starts. Here your textbook starts. So this is the image of your textbook, lesson number 10, simple tenses. Simple tenses. So let's see. I already explained you all these things briefly. So let's see. Read these sentences. Read these sentences. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis. My mother swims every day. My mother swims every day. Father cooked pasta yesterday. Father cooked pasta yesterday. Sheila will go to London tomorrow. Sheila will go to London tomorrow. Verbs change forms to tell us when an action happened. Verbs change forms to tell us when an action happened. These different forms are called tenses. These different forms are called tenses. There are three kinds of tenses. There are three kinds of tenses. So let's see. Asin gets up early every day. Asin gets up early every day. It rains every afternoon. It rains every afternoon. Your exam starts at 8 a.m. Your exam starts at 8 a.m. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. I go to my grandmother's house every week. I go to my grandmother's house every week. On Mondays, Harjit sings in the choir. On Mondays, Harjit sings in the choir. The highlighted verbs tell us about action that happen daily as a routine or are universal facts. The highlighted verbs tell us about actions that happen daily as a routine or are universal facts. So, the sentences that show habitual actions or universal truths or facts are said to be in the simple present tense. The sentences that show habitual actions or universal truths or facts are said to be in the simple present tense. Now let's see here. Note, some of the signal words for the simple present tense are always, often, usually, seldom, never, every day, every morning, on Sundays. Simple present tense signal words are always, often, usually, seldom, never, every day, every morning, on Sundays. So, from these words, you can easily recognize that this sentence in a simple present tense. So, let me tell you once again what is a simple present tense. Habitual actions means if you are having habit of something. Universal truths means universal facts, the truth which you cannot change. For example, the earth revolves around the sun, so you cannot change that. So that is the universal truth. And facts means reality. That I live in India, so that is the fact. So all these things are goes under simple present tense. Now let's see exercise A. Match column A with column B. Match column A with column B. So let's see, A and B you have to match. So first let's see which options are given in column A. Coins, coins. Then dry leaves, dry leaves. Bells, bells. Doors, doors. Pressure cookers, pressure cookers. Now let's see the options of column B. Whistle, whistle. Jingle, rustle. Ring, slam. So let's see which options can we write with coins. Coins. Whistle, no. Jingle, no. Rustle, no. Ring, let's see. Coins, jingle. Coins, jingle. Then dry leaves. So let's see. Whistle, no. Rustle, let's check. Yes, dry leaves, rustle. Then bells, ring. Doors, slam. And pressure cooker, whistle. Pressure cooker, whistle. So let's see all the options again. Okay. Coins, jingle. Coins, jingle. Dry leaves, rustle. Dry leaves, rustle. Bells, ring. Bells, ring. Doors, slam. Doors, slam. And pressure cookers, whistle. Okay. So now let's see the next exercise, that is exercise number 2. Use the correct simple present tense of the verbs in brackets. Use the correct simple present tense of the verbs in brackets. So let's see. Ravi dash every morning. Ravi dash every morning. So in bracket the bath is given, bath. So the correct answer is baths. Baths. Ravi baths every morning. So do you remember the sentence structure which I told you for simple present tense? Yes. In a simple present tense, if the subject is he, she or it, so you have to add s, es or ies in the verb. So here Ravi means he, so we will add s. Okay. Let's see B. These children dash sand castles every evening. These children dash sand castles every evening. So the answer is builds. Answer is builds. These children builds sand castles every evening. Next, a camel dash people across the desert. A camel dash people across the desert. Answer is carries. Answer is carries. Then you dash beautifully. You dash beautifully. Answer is dance. Answer is dance. So here why we have not added anything s, es or is, because the subject is you. When the subject is you, we, I or they, you don't need to add anything in the verb. Okay. So let's revise all these blanks. Ravi dash every morning. So the answer is baths. Ravi baths every morning. Then these children sand castles every evening. Answer is builds. These children builds sand castles every evening. A camel dash people across the desert. Answer is carries. A camel carries people across the desert. Then you dash beautifully. Answer is dance. You dance beautifully. Now let's move to the next fill in the blank. That is, my grandfather dash beautiful kites. My grandfather dash beautiful kites. So in bracket make. So the answer is makes. My grandfather makes beautiful kites. My grandfather makes beautiful kites. Then Rohini dash to school every day. Rohini dash to school every day. Walk. So the answer is walks. Answer is walks. Rohini walks to school every day. Then that boy dash for marbles usually. That boy dash for marbles usually. So in bracket quarrel. Quarrel. So the answer is quarrels. Answer is quarrels. That boy quarrels for marbles usually. That boy quarrels for marbles usually. Then many women dash silk saris. Many women dash silk saris. So in bracket like. in bracket like. So the answer is like. Many women means plural, they. So we will not make any changes in there. We will write only same as it is. Okay. So now let's revise all these blanks. My grandfather dash beautiful kites. Answer is makes. My grandfather makes beautiful kites. Rohini dash to school every day. Walk. So the answer is walks. Rohini walks to school every day. That boy dash for marbles usually in bracket quarrel. Correct answer is quarrels. That boy quarrels for marbles usually. Many women dash silk saris in bracket like. Answer is like. Many women like silk saris. Then let's move to the next FB. So we dash tea and not coffee. We dash tea and not coffee. In bracket drink. In bracket drink. So the correct answer is drink, because the subject is we. So we drink tea and not coffee. Then an elephant dash heavy objects easily. An elephant dash heavy objects easily. In bracket lift. Lift. So the correct answer is lifts. Lifts. Meeta dash hockey at school. Meeta dash hockey at school. So the answer is plays. Meeta plays hockey at school. The last blank. The moon dash brightly in the sky. The moon dash brightly in the sky. Answer is shines. Answer is shines. So let's revise all FB. We dash tea and not coffee. The answer is drink. We drink tea and not coffee. Then an elephant lifts heavy objects easily. Then Meeta plays hockey at school. And the moon shines brightly in the sky. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. We have completed 2 exercises in the textbook. So let's revise, let's see the summary of today's textual explanation and exercise. So in textbook we started from here. Simple tenses, lesson number 10. Read these sentences. So first we have completed this one. I explained you this. Then we have seen what is simple present tense and how can you easily recognize that. So what is simple present tense? The sentences that show habitual actions or universal truths or facts are said to be in the simple present tense. And what are the signal words to recognize simple present tense? That are always, often, usually, seldom, never, every day, every morning, on Sundays. So these are the signal words to recognize easily what is simple present tense. So let's see. Match column A with column B. Coins, jingle. Coins, jingle. Dry leaves, rustle. Dry leaves, rustle. Then bells, ring. Bells, ring. Doors, slam. Doors, slam. Pressure cookers, whistle. Pressure cookers, whistle. Then we have seen exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. So let's see. Ravi dash every morning. Answer is baths. Ravi baths every morning. Then next, these children dash sand castles every evening. Answer is builds. Answer is builds. These children builds sand castles every evening. A camel dash people across the desert. Answer is carries. A camel carries people across the desert. Then you dash beautifully. Answer is dance. You dance beautifully. Then next is my grandfather dash beautiful kites. Makes. My grandfather makes beautiful kites. Rohini dash to school every day. Rohini walks to school every day. That boy dash for marbles usually. Answer quarrels. That boy quarrels for marbles usually. Many women dash silk saris. Answer like. Many women like silk saris. Then we dash tea and not coffee. Answer is drink. We drink tea and not coffee. An elephant dash heavy objects easily. An elephant lifts heavy objects easily. Meeta dash hockey at school. Answer plays. Meeta plays hockey at school. The moon dash brightly in the sky. Answer is shines. The moon shines brightly in the sky. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next session with the leftover part of textual explanation. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.